Hello and welcome to this new video on how to change theme on ChatGPT. So if you are new here, subscribe, press the notification bell icon so you don't miss any upcoming further videos. Now let's get started. So firstly, you need to open your web browser, and in the top of the web browser there will be a search bar. Click on the search bar. Now you just have to type ChatGPT and press enter in the keyboard. After that, the ChatGPT interface will be open right in front of you. Now you just have to look in the top right corner. There is a circular icon with a letter in it. You can need to just click on that and a pop-up box will appear, and on the second last option there is settings. So you just have to click on the settings, and when you are inside the settings, in the general section, the first thing you will see is theme, and in the right side there is a system and an arrow sign, and when you hover around it, the button color changes. So you just have to click there, and there are three different themes that you can choose. One is dark, light, and system. The system is the theme that we're currently using. In order to change the theme, you can just choose the theme that you want, just click on it, and the theme will be changed. So this is how you can easily change theme on ChatGPT. So if this video is helpful to you, don't forget to leave a like button. Thank you.